Dear students, I am Nilanjana Seniyal. Welcome you all to my channel NS Online Math Classes. Now as you know, we are learning how to change the subject of a formula or subject of a given equation. And we will be having 7 sessions on this same topic. And in each session, like in this session, I have taken the subject variable to be present in the denominator. In each session, I am taking up a different type of an equation. And I would definitely be asking you to watch all my videos on this topic so that whatever formula you are given or whatever equation you are given, you will be able to change the subject of the given formula or given equation. Okay? So without any further delay, let us start with our today's session. First of all, let us look at the given question. Make x the subject of the following equation. It is w equal to 3w plus 2 over 3x. X has to be made the subject of the equation and x is in the denominator. Plus 5. So coming to the rules. Rule number 1 says bring all the term or terms containing the variable which has to be made the subject to one side of the equal to sign and take all the other terms to the other side. Over here we are seeing there is a single term containing this variable x, but there are two terms which are the other terms, which can be referred to as the other terms because they do not contain the variable x. So we have to take these two to one side. Because this is a single term, we do not have to group the terms containing x. So, we take this 5 to this side, or I have just rewritten it, the equation in this form. This is equal to w minus 5 equal to 3w plus 2 over 3x. Or because it is an equation, it doesn't matter which part are we writing first. So, I have written it in this form. 3w plus 2 over 3x equal to w minus 5. Okay. Now rule number 2. Simplify the two sides to get one term on each side. There is one term on the left side, but there are two terms and they cannot be simplified. They are not like terms. If the other side is not a fraction, it is not a fraction definitely. We do not know the value of w, but we are not interested in finding the values of any variable. We are taking w as it is, w minus 5, and it is not a fraction definitely. Convert it to a fraction by taking 1 as the denominator. So, it is not a fraction. We will be writing it as a fraction in this form, w minus 5 over 1. Okay? Now, it is a fraction. Rule number 3 says cross multiply both the sides to get rid of the fractional form. There is a single term on the left hand side and a single term on the right hand side. Both are fractions, so we may cross multiply. We will be taking the numerator of the left hand side and we will be multiplying that with the denominator of the right hand side. And we will be multiplying the numerator of the right hand side with the denominator of the left hand side, and in between these two expressions there will be this equal to sign. So we multiply 3w plus 2 with 1, that is 3w plus 2, and 3x is getting multiplied with w minus 5. I have not multiplied them and written as separate terms. I could have written them as separate terms, 3xw minus 15x. But, okay, let us look at rule number 4. Make the variable the subject of the equation following the rules of the previous videos. So, what in the previous videos they have asked us to take x as the common factor outside the parenthesis and put all the other parts inside the parenthesis. So, since we are having this parenthesis, that is the reason why I have not multiplied these two. I have not written them as 3xw and minus 15x because after that again I have to take out the x. So it is written in this common factor taken outside the parenthesis and within the parenthesis you are having w minus 5, but of course 3 has to be included as well. I could have written x and 3w minus 15, or it is 3 times w minus 5. Okay, and then what we do, we take this part within the parenthesis. This time there is the 3 as well, which has to be included because this is not x. Only x has to be kept over here on this side, and the other parts should be taken as the denominator, should be made the denominator of the other side. So this 3 times w minus 5 should be made the denominator of the other side. So this is x equal to 3w plus 2 over 3 times w minus 5, or we may expand this. It will be 3w plus 2 over 3w minus 15. Okay, so this is how we change the subject of a formula when the subject is, or the subject variable is present in the denominator of a fraction. Okay, so students, this brings us to the end of this session. Please like, share and subscribe if you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching this video till the end. We meet again very soon. Till then, bye.